One of the most awaited news of this 2020 is definitely Renova. With its reduced room on the floor of only 60 mm, is the ideal product for renovations. Here is how the product looks when you receive it. TEA packaging with product identification label with EN code. Instructions that will guide you for a correct installation of the product. Trap with reduced room on the floor of only 60 mm and 3 ABS outlets DN40 that can be chosen depending on the position of the pipe. ABS jointed outlet DN50. Different lengths are available: 600, 700 and 800 mm. Grade in stainless steel 316, the best quality of steel, ideal also for places by the sea. Thanks to the use of the spacers included in the packaging, the grade can be adjusted height from 12 to 22 mm. Sliding and adjustable high supports to ease the installation. With the use of the suction cup, it's very easy to remove the grid and have access to the system. Removable trap that facilitates periodic cleaning with a hair stop grid included. Thin bed system perimeter waterproofing thanks to the application of adhesive tape. Dry spot. Important drainage points that allow water to descend into the trap and not to settle on the surrounding area where the item is installed. The range that we offer, you can find a finish that best suits the design of your bathroom. You may choose among a variety of finishes: standard version, PVD gold, PVD copper, PVD black and PVD sky chrome. The result of the PVD finish guarantees abrasion resistance, inalterability to UV rays and resistance to solvents and corrosion. The PVD finish is hypoallergenic and sweat resistant. Aesthetics and functionality, a perfect combination to describe this new product born in TEA and available from June 2020.